Hi guys, I just changed something to the Nemesis repo, and maybe it's a good thing to play around with it a little bit in, well, this is ArcoNet, Linux 10 is booting up, and let's install Nemesis repo. So there was a message on Telegram, Pacman Manager. We're not using it anymore, but you can install it as a user. Pacman AWAR is the one you have to look for. And it had issues with the Nemesis repo. So I investigated a little bit more, and we found out that it's basically all good, but the SigLevel level, the signing level, where are you guys? Here, is not okay. So that was the reason. So we've changed something in the ATT, that's the ArcoLinux tweak tool, and the HTT is an old one. So this is a virtual machine, has been installed quite a while. So we update first, get the new ATT, whoa, get the new ATT in. So yeah, a while ago this was installed already. Let's see with what ISO. With version 7, we're at version, let's see, above 10, 11, right? So this is the version 7. At this point in time, AEG and SourceForge have number 11. We're still testing with you, together with you. So the phase of AAG, but everything seems to be going well for the moment, right? Report to us if it isn't. So the thing is, I'd like to play with the things I've created. What did I create? Maybe you don't know, not important either, but at some point in time I got fed up with icons missing. And icons are the things we look at all the time, and icons are the ones that we also, well, ignore. I mean, we only see them if we don't like the icon or the icon is missing. Otherwise we take it for granted, which is a great expression in English, right? We take it for granted and we even don't realize how important they are. So at some point in time I started developing Saturday icons and surfing icons, and we switched now to the surfing icons. Now, ideas, I have plenty of them, right? How-tos and what ifs and all that, right? Things like that. And not everything goes on ArcoLinux. So there are some things that I say I want to keep that particular project for myself, right? So github.com, you can do exactly the same as I do. That's wrong. And that's having what ifs, creating an account on GitLab or GitHub, and then making a repo, a repository, and add it to your ArcoLinux system, any ArcoLinux based system. And since I had to make a change here, I've also cleaned it out. What we kept are all the grub themes. So when you boot up with grub, not systemd and not refine, if you boot up with grub, you can have different looks, not the gray with the blue line in the corner, the right corner, right button, right? But other things that I've developed at some point in time, I made tutorials about it, I'm sure. And also icons. I'm plenty of icons, ideas. What if I combine the edu, so the Candy Beauty, edu stands for Eric Dubois, right? This GitHub, Candy Beauty Arc. So combining Arc folders with Candy Beauty icons, or Arc Mint Gray, or Arc Mint Red here, or Kogear with Candy Beauty. So just combos, different combos, different ideas. Again, to grub. Papyrus, well-known icon theme, but then combined with Tela. If you don't like the folders, then you get the Tela folders. And that's the idea, right? Combining the best out there from the internet and say it's just not that difficult, and we make tutorials about it. Surfing, new mix, blue. So new mix at some point in time, of new mix with a C, right? they've made a new color for the folders, and I use the blue one here. And Ubuntu grub theme again, a grub theme. Vimix is also icons, dark with Teladen, or mono grub theme, again a grub theme. And here Surfn Plasma Flow. So definitely not for anything else but Plasma. So basically, if you look at the content, it's grub and it's icons, right? All the rest I've thrown out now, cleaned it out, so you can have a Nemesis repo maybe to add. How do we add these things? Well, first of all, you saw there was a big update, right? The reflex, do it. This is grub, this is the design. Want other design? Yeah, you have to choose it. So first of all, let's get the Nemesis repo on our system. If you had it already, that's good, but you need to check. So npacman nano etc pacman.conf, in short, has only the chaotic AOR at the bottom. There is no mention of Nemesis. Okay, let's close you again. Ctrl-Alt-E, a key binding that launches the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Otherwise, you have to go look in the menu, right? Just takes too long. Pacman, enable Nemesis repo. You're done. Then you go back to npacman, and the correct code is in. So if you had it already, go check if it is now PackageRequired DatabaseNever. We had to do it for a remark on Telegram. Pamac AOR, or Pamac Manager, right, was unable to read the databases. Now we're all the same. So if you have a look at up here, ArcoLinux repo, PackageRequired DatabaseNever, PackageRequired DatabaseNever, and now Pamac has no issues anymore. So that's the reason of the change, and doesn't matter. So basically more security. It's signed by me, and the idea, maybe this is interesting as well. So first of all, update the system. The databases come in. Check. Then this, let me think, pacman -SL, and then tap, and you see you can choose. Give me the list of anything that's inside Nemesis repo. With this on our side, we can just make our decisions, right? Sudo pacman -S. It always starts with edu, so that's easy. Those are the choices. And let's take several, right? But not too many. But basically, this is just a theme like this one. So edu candy beauty tela git. All right. It has a reason why it's so long. You know what you'll get with the name. You go to appearance, you go to icons, and you go to edu, which is at the beginning. Edu candy beauty tela. Super, shift, enter. That's this. Things have changed, right? For the better, for the worse. That's up to you to decide. It's just a what if. What if I do this, right? Let's take Vimix, for example, dark tela. So it has a dependency, as you see. Vimix is going to be installed as well. And now we go back to the system here. Close this, open it up again. Then all the files and packages will be read. And Vimix, whoa, look at that, right? All Vimix things that we've installed, but somewhere in here is also the edu Vimix. So that's gonna be this look and this look. Now you like or you hate the Vimix icons, right? But it's the Vimix icons combined with a folder. And so on and so on. Okay? So that's what happens to our Nemesis repo. We kept the grubs and the icons, play around, see if you like the icons. In the next video, I'll play with grub things. All right, cheers.